On occasion, you'll have a folder that needs to be renamed or moved, perhaps to another folder. You can easily do that with Mylio. Here I have a folder called Year 2021, and I have another folder called Years. Within that folder, I have my 2023 folder. What I want is the 2021 and 2023 folders to be next to each other. I'm going to rename that folder, then move it into the correct location. To rename a folder, I simply select it, open the information panel, and I can see the folder name and highlight it. In this case, I just want to remove the words year and the underscore. So I'll simply hit the delete key, hit enter on my keyboard, and now the folder has been correctly named just 2021. To move it, I can simply drag it into the correct folder. Mylio asks me to confirm. I click move. And now when I go into the years folder, I can see 2021 and 2023 next to each other. If your folders are not adjacent to each other, you can always use the folder tree to drag and move a folder into the correct location. Keep in mind that whatever changes you make to your folders within the Mylio Photos app will also be reflected in the file system. As you can see here, the two folders within the years folder have been moved and renamed, and you can find them using the Finder on macOS or File Explorer on Windows.